Hey, what's good, y'all? Latrell, and y'all might remember that Sony actually sent me the Sony Buds S here. I got a good relationship going on with them right now, so fingers crossed, man. I'm actually due for the review right now, but I actually got these here too. So I got the Sony WF-1000XM4s, and I heard these things sound crazy. I only got the WH-1000XM4s right now, but now we got the earbuds version of that, and we got to go check this thing out because these things are kind of expensive. And I'm talking the original retail price, $280 expensive. So we got to go check this thing out, even though I'm like a year late, and check it out in 2022/2023. So anyway, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. All right, so yeah, like I said, these things costed a decent amount of money. It was $280, but right now, like maybe it's a holiday thing, but at Best Buy, they're $180, so it's $100 off. I feel like that might be a good deal, assuming that these sound good, but I heard nothing bad about these, so I wanna go check them out besides like maybe the fact that they're big. But like I said, I'm coming from the Buds S, which is my first Sony earbuds, and I kind of misunderstood them. I didn't really understand the market at first, but now I get it, and y'all see in the review soon. But I gotta go and check these things out, because when I go to the gym, I pretty much solely use Galaxy Buds. It's a Galaxy Buds Plus or the Galaxy Buds 2 or something like that. I even got the Galaxy Buds Pro, but those don't fit in my ear, and I hope these do, because I ain't really had an issue before with earbuds not fitting my ears, so yeah. All right, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and it's been a minute since we've been last over here, ain't it? So yeah, this is gonna be my third pair of Sony headphones over here. So we got my WH-1000XM4s. Let me open this up real quick. As you can see, I got it in a black color, and I love these. I bring this to the gym too. I got my Sony Buds S, and I've learned that these definitely ain't for the gym. And now we got the WF-1000XM4s. I'm kind of hyped to get into this thing, because man, like if the reviews is true, this is gonna be crazy. Septian Patterson, Barry Johnson, even Digital Slang, like they always got on me for having like some subpar headphones like the Galaxy Buds, so this is gonna be an upgrade for me. So on the front we got Sony WF-1000XM4, and before I actually continue, I should say shout out to Sony for sending this out to me again. I really appreciate y'all. Or actually no, they didn't send this out to me. I met up with a dude at Sony who actually came out here to Kenosha at some breakfast restaurant, and we ate, and he actually gave these to me. But if you look here in the box, we got high-res audio wireless, we got 8 hours plus 16 hours of playtime, so I'm pretty sure that's what the case. And I'm pretty sure 8 hours alone just off the earbuds themselves. We got industry-leading noise canceling, and I heard that a lot. Made for iPhone, iPod, okay, Google, Alexa built in. Oh, wait, maybe I shouldn't have said Google, but I'll just clear that out in the video. And you can see here again that Sony got this eco-friendly packaging over here, so they're not using any plastic or nothing like that, so, you know, cool. But on the back, we only got nothing, and the box is just pretty plain, so let's just go ahead and get this thing open. There is nothing to go ahead and cut, so if we go ahead and just peel this off here. All right, cool, there we go. It took me a while to finally get to these because I've been busy. So on the front we know got nothing, and turn this around we got 1000X series, so oh yeah, this is gonna be cool. Let me go ahead and open these up right here, and I guess that was the front. But here is our WF-1000XM4s. Again, that's just more paper and everything. Let's go ahead and peel this off real quick. Okay, well, who cares? We're just gonna rip it off. All right, cool. Look at that. Look at that nice Sony logo right there. So let me zoom out real quick. Look at that Sony logo here in like this goldish. It kind of matches the WH-1000XM4s. But these look clean, man. Looking around here real quick, we got a USB-C port in the back. So just like the Sony Buds S, where you at? There we go. As you can see there, except we don't got a pairing button. Flipping these around, again, this is going to be the WF-1000XM4s, and these going to be the Sony Buds S. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. And man, look at that. Let's go ahead and peel this off, or just take it out. Okay, cool. And here's the earbuds. So we got the same LED indicator here in the front. So if I go ahead and open up the Buds S, as you can see, we have the same exact thing. So that's looking cool. And now let's go and take this out of here real quick. So here's the earbuds. Oh yeah, they're definitely kind of big. Oh snap, I don't know about that. That's what she said. Let's go. Definitely an interesting design over here, like especially this just sticking out here in the side. I don't know. I mean, it don't look bad to me at all. But yeah, you put these in the case and they kind of magnetize here to the case, so that's cool. And you also got these charger connectors here. They look easy enough to clean. All you can do is just get some Clorox wipes or whatever and just clean it up real quick, easy. And then looking around the case, I mean, it's pretty small. We don't have, I don't think we have that same satisfying snap as the Buds S. Oh no, the Buds S is better. But we do have like a more of a stronger magnet here than the Buds S. That's weaker on here and then stronger on here. And then on this, we actually have like a 2-step hinge. So if you bring this back all the way, it's actually gonna lock just right there. But on the Buds S, I'm pretty sure we can't do that, right? Okay, never mind, we can. It's just weaker. So at this point, all we gotta do is just go ahead and pull up our Galaxy Fold over here. And now it's just showing you the price there. So it's $180 and $280 just retail. So if you want to get this, it looks like it's gonna be in black and white. And it looks like my store actually has it in stock. so cool. If I wanted to get it, then I would. Let me see if all the stores really have it. Okay, so it doesn't really look like there's a shortage around here. It looks like there's some in Illinois and, you know, other parts of Wisconsin. All right, so all we gotta do is open these up, and it should give me like a parent pop-up here by Google. So let's see if it does real quick. Nothing so far though. So in this case, we're gonna just go to the Bluetooth settings because that's what I like to do anyway. So let's go over here to Bluetooth. Let's go and search for the earbuds. So I got a whole bunch of devices in here, but let's see if we find them. All right, I'm not seeing them. Hold up a second. How to pair Sony WF-1000XM4s. While we're pulling that up, let's go ahead. Well, let me pause the video real quick. But while we're doing that, let's go ahead and get into the rest of the box. So looking inside the box, we got a whole instruction guide. So it's telling us to go ahead and take it out the case, and then we can go ahead and put it back in. We get the LEDs, and then we go ahead and scan that there to get the app. Now, if we flip this around, we got a user manuals and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and take these out of here real quick. Y'all already know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna pull it out anyway. All right, there we go. We got all the user manuals. So you know we do with that. We throw it to the side as always. And it looks like that's gonna be everything up in here. So let's go and get into the rest of the box. And it looks like we have a charger in here. So that's gonna be our USB-A to USB-C. And then we have some ear tips in here. So we have our large and then we got our small. So how do we actually get into this? All right, there we go. So we have 4 ear tips. And they even look like they're color coordinated here. So that's cool, but we don't got a lot of options, especially compared to the LinkBuds S. All right, I figured it out. I just took them out the case and this popped up here. So let's go and click on connect, and they should connect by themselves. Connecting. Let's see how long this takes. Usually I have issues here with this fast pair, but okay, they work there. Cool. So I'm not going to set up Google Assistant because I don't really like using that with earbuds. I never use virtual assistants with my earbuds. So that was pretty easy. Now let me go put these up in my ear and see how these fit right out the box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're definitely big. That's what she said. And these ear tips is not gonna do it for me. So it looks like I'm gonna have to go and get some small ones maybe, because I have to like jam it in my ear for it to fit. I mean, it's giving me a good seal, but maybe that's too good of a seal. Wait, hold up a minute. I just realized something. So these ain't regular ear tips. These is actually memory foam. That's dope right there. I never seen earbuds come with memory foam ear tips before. That's cool. I just tried out the small and that's way too small. So let me go ahead and figure out these ear tips real quick. So I just realized sticking with the ear tips that come with it, it fits pretty much fine in my ear. I just didn't really know it's memory foam, so it fits a lot better now. It's a little awkward at first, but it's good now. But just looking around the earbuds real quick, we got the left and right indicators. We have this sensor over here to know when it's in your ears. We got this here at the top, which I'm assuming is for the noise canceling. We got the Sony logo, and then we got this here, which I still don't even know what that is yet. And then we got the charger connectors like I showed you on the case. We got some info for the earbuds. And yeah, pretty much the same exact thing on both earbuds. All right, so I got them in my ear now. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but I mean, the fit, it could be better, obviously. They're big earbuds though, but they fit fine. Surprisingly though, they seem to fit better than my Galaxy Buds Pro. Now, when I talk, I can hear myself talking through myself. Like I can't really hear my outside surroundings, which is pretty good. So when you turn them on, they're on noise canceling by default. Now, I gotta go ahead and play some music here. So we're gonna go to Spotify and play one of my favorite songs. As y'all know, all I listen to is ghetto hood rap music. That's just how I am, all right? So it's gonna be a lot of bass instruments, all that. So let's go ahead and pick some Young Pappy, yeah, or Juice WRLD, don't matter. Actually, you know what? Pulling by Lil Yachty. We're gonna pull this up, and it's gonna be my live reaction. Volumes all the way up. Let's listen to Lil Yachty. I took the one to Poland. All right, I'm listening to this. This is a good amount of bass, but could be louder. Not gonna lie. Okay. The bass dropping more. Okay, this ain't bad. Let me choose a different song real quick though. I'm gonna choose, let me see. Actually, you know what? We'll switch it up real quick. We're going to Young Pappy. You know, everybody know me. Like if you know me in real life, you know I love my Young Pappy. Trending topic. Let's see how this sounds. Yeah, I don't know, man. I feel like it's just lacking a little bit of volume. It's not quiet at all, but man, I love the bass though. I'm gonna pull up the Sony app real quick though. The bass drop in 1, 2, 3. Oh, I was a little underwhelmed though, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm actually looking at the app right now and it says it's transferring the latest headphone software, so I'm gonna let it do this. Meanwhile, let's go and pull up Sometimes by Juice WRLD. Oh, there's some of that volume. All right, you get the point. I went ahead and listened to these things and honestly, I don't really know if it sounds like it's $280 worth. It's definitely $180 worth, but I don't know about $280. Then again, no, I use things like the ambient sound and the active noise cancellation and it sounds crazy. It sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The ambient sound in these earbuds is probably the best ambient sound I ever heard in a pair of earbuds. Like they sound pretty much the same as my WH-1000XM4s. And if anything changed, I'll let you know in the comments below in terms of the software update if it sounds any different or not. But for now, hopefully I enjoyed this, man. I will go ahead and cover this in my review, so stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned for my Sony LinkBuds S video I'm working on. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And you heard that right. I didn't stutter. I said the whole thing. I got all my social media back, so we good. I'm so happy, man. Shout out to the dude that helped me. I couldn't have done it without bro. I finally got it, so go and follow me on my Instagram and all that again, finally. Anyway, that's why I gotta go wrap this thing up. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.